The fourth generation of the BMW X5 and the second-gen Mercedes-Benz GLE are preparing to reach the world, and the two German SUVs are going through a similar phase. That's because both newcomers will replace models based on their predecessors' platforms. The present X5 uses the chassis of the third-gen model, while the current GLE still rides on ML underpinnings. The fourth generation of the BMW X5 will see the SAV sports activity vehicle riding on the CLAR architecture, which has already proven itself on the 7 and 5 series, while the modular platform will also serve other models, such as the almost ready 2019 3 Series. The second coming of the GLE will see the SUV moving to the MHA platform, and as is the case with its Bavarian rival, the Merc will shed a bit of weight, despite growing in size. Both models will feature at least one hybrid version, while their performance versions are also in the works. In fact, we've already spied the 2019 BMW X5M and the 2019 Mercedes-AMG GLE 63. Just like the 2018 M5 and E63, the two high-riding beasts will put on a monster show once they enter the comparison game. We're looking at super SUVs mixing 600 HP outputs with rear-biased all-wheel drive systems. Some even expect that all rear driving modes of the said sedans to show up. Keep in mind that their segment brings extremely fierce competition. We're talking about the 680 HP Porsche Cayenne Turbo SE Hybrid, the 707 HP Jeep Grand Cherokee Hellcat, and, of course, the Maserati Levante with its 590 HP Ferrari V8 motor. Expect both the 2019 BMW X5 and the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE to debut within the next few months.